Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel once more. Today I have another unboxing video for you. As you can see on the video, it's for the NT-USB studio quality mic made by Rode. Yes, made by Rode. So let's go ahead and let's start opening this box. So here we are. The box is quite big, quite thick. It is probably about, say, 1/2 meter by 40 centimeters or something like that, in that range. So let's just go around the box first and just show you what you get. Okay, you've got the information here. This is all the items in the box. Stand and pop-up shield included. It's iPad compatible, so it's Apple, so I presume it should be compatible with other devices, maybe onboard headphone monitoring. You have the information like here. It's in German, tells you what it is. Obviously you have the Rode logo here, and you have a little picture here at the back. Shall I say, here we are. It will tell you some information there. Designed in Australia, assembled in China. Well done. So let's go ahead and let's start opening. Let's see what we have here first. Okay, so the box, we have a sponge which is quite soft, and I mean that protects the actual items which are in the box, which is quite good. Yeah. Then first of all, let's see what this is. Okay, this is a stand for Rode. Yeah, that's what that is. Quite plasticky. You have the screw here, so you can attach the actual Rode mic to it, as you can see. Okay, let's put that on the side. Let's see what's underneath here. We don't need that. Okay, we have I think this is 6 meters. Yeah, 6 meters USB A to B cable. So this goes into the actual microphone, and this goes into the computer. When you plug it in, obviously it'll configure it automatically, so there's no software, there's no nothing. Then you have a pouch, which is quite nice. Logo on there, a zipper pouch. See what's inside. Okay, we have first I Love Rode microphone. There you are. Then we have the safety instructions, and we have the actual instruction manual, and it's all translated in various languages, so not many people usually use this. So I'll just put this back in and put that on the side. Let's see what the mic looks like, and the box inside. Okay, we have one of these silicone gels that just keeps the moisture out for the electronics. And in here, there you are, we have another sponge that protects. We'll get rid of that as well. And here you are. This is what you do, this is what you get. So you get the pop shield here, shall I say. It would be nice if we have one of these wind muffs on there as well, maybe. Yeah. And this is the front of the mic, as you can see. Then let's just unscrew this a little bit more so it swivels around. Here you are, you have the actual dials here. Here you have for the input for the actual headphones. This gives you the gain, the volume, I believe. And here, this dial here is for the gain, I believe, for the microphone. The way you go goes to the computer. So we just need to test that, how that all works, and so on. Here you are, that's the USB-B type connection. That plugs in there, and you have the screw for the stand here that you can. Rode as well, you've got that there. And it's quite heavy, shall I say. Yeah, it's quite metal, the casing's quite metal. This is the back, it'll give you the information there as well. And that's it, more or less. And it's quite good, actually. It's really massive. I don't know how this is going to fit on the computer, or if you have one of these boom items that you can put on, and I don't know how that's going to hold. Anyway, so we just need to test it all. So what you get is, you get the pop-up, you get the mic, you get the little bit connection there for the actual stand. There's the stand. Then you get the actual USB cable. you get the pouch, the nice pouch there with the logo on, and then you get all these pamphlets and instruction manuals and so on. So anyway, so I hope that this unboxing gives you some kind of idea what you get in the box. Please thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more new uploads. Thank you for watching.